In this lesson we're looking at the equation of a straight line, and we're going to see that there's several different forms for the equation of a straight line. The first form is the general form. We've seen that before. It takes on the form of ax plus by plus z equals 0. The second form is also familiar, the gradient intercept form, and it takes on the form of y equals mx plus b, where m is the gradient of the line and b is the y-intercept of the line. Now, the third one is a new version that we won't have seen yet. It's the intercept form. It takes the form of x over a plus y over b equals 1. And it's important to remember that a and b are the x-intercept and y-intercept respectively. So if you know what a is and you know what b is, and the equation of the line is in this form, then you can tell straight away what the x-intercept and the y-intercept are respectively, which makes it easy to draw the line. The fourth version is the point gradient form. And in the point gradient form, what we need is a point on the line and also the gradient for that particular line. And it looks like y minus y1 equals m, the gradient, outside of brackets, x minus x1. And you'll see that the x1 and the y1, well, they're points that lie on the line. So x1 and y1 lie on the line with the gradient m. And the last form for the equation of a straight line that we have is the two-point formula. And with this, it's really actually identical to the point gradient form, except that where we have the m that we've been given in the point gradient form, in the two-point formula we actually have to calculate the value of m. So that's really the main difference between the point gradient form and the two-point formula form. So the two-point formula form looks like this. This is the formula we're looking for, which is y minus y1 on x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And if you look pretty carefully at that, you'll see that this part here, this is actually the calculation of the gradient that we were looking for before. And in the denominator on the left-hand side, that is actually what's in the brackets on the right-hand side of the point gradient form, and then the y minus y1 was really just what was on the left-hand side of the equal sign in the point gradient form. Now we're going to apply all of these different forms in different situations in class.